I'm gonna start off with my desk. This is what the desk looks like. Well, my vanity, should I say. So this is what it looks like, guys. I'm gonna be putting everything that I have in the desk as furniture wise down below. So we're gonna start off with this desk. This desk, I bought it from IKEA. It's an older desk. As you can see, it did came with a little glass thing on here, which protects the table itself, which is really wonderful. And this is also from IKEA. This is the famous ACRYLIC drawer. I'm pretty sure every single beauty guru in YouTube has this drawer unit. Absolutely love it. This was gifted to me from my friends. I have changed some of the bulbs. As you can see, some of them are lighter than the other ones. These are the original, these are newer, so that's why it looks a little off, but the lighting itself is wonderful. I'll start off with the ACRYLIC drawer itself. This is a 5-unit drawer, and I'll go through what is inside. And I didn't unfortunately film how I cleaned this, but I'll go over it with you guys. But right on top here, you will see this acrylic organizer. I don't remember where I purchased this from, but I remember I paid $10. And on here, it just holds all my lipsticks. Well, not my lipsticks, it's mostly my lip products. These are just my favorite ones, and actually some of these are some of the very first lipsticks I owned. In here, I have more lip products. I have some NYX, I have some Pretty Vulgar, I have Revlon, I have some of my lippy sticks from ColourPop. And then in here, I have more like liquid lipsticks. These are ColourPop. I have some Anastasia, some Kylie Cosmetics, and then some NYX and some Tarte. And then up here, and this drawer here, I have a tons of NYX. I love NYX products, like I just love them. And then I have 2 Tarte lipsticks here, liquid lipsticks I believe, and then more NYX in the back here. And then these are just like miscellaneous lipsticks that I have, or like lip products. And then up here, I want to say these are my most used lip products. These are the Wet n Wild ones. These are Dose of Color. This is ColourPop, YSL, ColourPop MAC Milani, and then some Gerard Cosmetics. Gerard Cosmetics, I think that's how pronounced. This is a newer lipstick. Like I said, this is the drawer that I use the most. So this one's a Kim Kardashian one, the KKW. And then I have some of these Too Faced Melt. What are these? Too Faced melted whatever lip things. Oops, sorry. And then and then right on top I have some of my lactose pills. I don't know why, but I do. And then right on top of here, this is something that means a ton to me. I post about this on my Instagram. This was to me by my friend Mari. She has a little kind of business going on. She does like a lot of crafting. So this is a favorite picture of me and my son Papas. This is my baby here, and this is me up here. And she gave this to me for my birthday, I believe. And I love it. I get so many compliments when like my family members come over. I get so many compliments on it. I absolutely love it. It just holds all my makeup brushes in top of here. These are the most used makeup brushes that I used a lot more. Right next to it, I have my subscription glasses. These are just some regular Ray-Bans, and then I have these blue light glasses that I bought from Amazon as well. And then right behind it, there's a plant, and I have my mirror, and then my little mariposa. Okay, so next, going into also too, look how old this is. So this is also coming off. So yeah, and I'm gonna go over what's in every single drawer. We're gonna start off with the first drawer, which has the remaining of my makeup brushes and my beauty blenders. These are all clean bean. I clean them myself, and I store them all in here, so in case if I need a backup of something, I have it. You know, and I have a good variety of everything. I have BH Cosmetics, and actually BH Cosmetics is one of the very first makeup brushes that I own, and I still have a ton of them, and this is actually part of it. Yeah, so I have like my bigger brushes here. I have Rick Techniques, I have e.l.f., I have some Morphe brushes in here too, and then I have my beauty blenders in here. I have more, and you'll see, guys. The next drawer just kind of holds setting sprays in here, and my lashes, my mascaras, and my liquid eyeliners. I currently don't wear liquid liner, but I am practicing to, you know, better myself at it. I don't really wear it out that much, like I said, but I do practice, so that's what I have on here. Here I just have some lashes. I also am not a huge lash type of girl, but I do wear them here and there, not so much, but I like to have some in case of what in here. The next one I want to say is one of my favorite not too favorite drawer. This holds all my foundations, all my primers, all my concealers, and like my highlight liquid things. And essentially these are all my primers in here, and this is more primer, and this is another primer. Oh wait, this is both primers? Oh yeah. Oh well, okay. So both of them are all primers, and I have a good, except this is not a primer, I don't know why this is in here. But I have primers, and like I said, I have some of these liquid glow things in here as well. I just kind of kept them in here because, you know, it is part of like the stuff that goes underneath the foundation, so that's all in here. I have a good variety. I have Cover X, I have some Becca Cosmetics, I have some e.l.f., I have my holy grail right now, which is the Wet n Wild primer serum, and you guys see me talking about this all the time, so this lives in here as well. Just know that I do alternate. And this is all my foundation. This is my foundation here. And I do want to say I do alternate, and I am planning to throw out more foundations because I feel like I didn't really do a good job. But yeah, that's all that holds in here. And again, I have a good variety of everything. I do have high-end, and I do have drugstore. Drugstore tends to be a little bit more my favorite go-to concealer, but again, I use all of my stuff, so none of this goes to waste. And if I feel like it's going to waste, I just kind of give it away or I throw it out. On the next one, it actually holds all of my palettes. So this is what this looks like, and I do want to let you guys know, I didn't throw them out, but I gave away a couple to my sister before, so this has definitely changed a lot. So also too, when I was going through my, you know, my cleaning spring, I've noticed that I was missing a ton of palettes that I've recently purchased. For some odd reason I can't find them, and they were the ColourPop ones, so I am going to go ahead and continue to search. But I do have a good variety of high-end and, you know, drugstore. I have some Anastasia, I have Beach Cosmetics, Urban Decay, Tarte, I don't know, I have a lot. Urban Decay, I don't know if I said Urban Decay, but I have a good variety of everything. I was going to suggest, if you are trying to grow your makeup or you want to be involved in more makeup, I would definitely suggest Back to Charm. Unfortunately, I had to unsubscribe for them because I was receiving a lot of repeats, and I actually don't like paying $50, $60 for some stuff that I already own, so I had to cancel that. But yeah, I have a good variety of palettes in here, guys. I have, like I said, just, you know, Morphe's in here too. All that stuff is in here. This is all the makeup that I have. I don't have a lot. And then down here I have like all my face masks. I have some face masks in here. Next to it I have like all my like nail stuff. I did take out some of my nail stuff, but they all live in here. These are like some of my tools, you know, some creams. I have on here like lotion, I have like my tanning thing, and then I have some acetone in the very back, but that all lives in here. I have, like I said, nail tools in here, so that all lives in this drawer. You guys, this is my pretty much everyday makeup that I use, and some of it's not really every day, but I just like to keep it up here so I don't forget that I own it. So on here, we're gonna start with the left hand side. The left hand side here has like all of my face stuff, my face like moisturizer, serums. So guys, this is something really, really amazing. If you struggle with, what's wrong with my lens, why is it not focusing? But if you struggle with dry skin, I definitely highly recommend this one. I don't know why it's not focusing, guys, I'm sorry. I highly recommend this. This is really, really amazing. I personally love it, and I have to buy another one pretty soon. But right next to it, I just keep all my setting powders because, and then on here I have my favorite palette that I use a lot right now, and then I have another Tarte Glow palette, my Anastasia by Nicole Guerrero, my favorite, and then I have some highlights, some lotion, some setting powder. These are all my bronzers and highlights and blushes that all need to be used, so that's why they're here. I try to alternate, and I have a good variety of them. I have some Girl Lactic, I have some Milani, I have some e.l.f., I have some what is this, Ofra, and I have some Mary Lou by The Balm, I have some Maybelline, I have some Becca, I have two Becca here, I have Hoola, I have Pre-Voguer, Milani, Too Faced, I have everything here, so I like to keep it so I can continue to be using it. Like I said, I don't want nothing else to waste. And then here are like other makeup brushes that I've used that are dirty, but I still like, I'm still using, you know. And then yeah, that's olives here. So these are the brushes that I use more every day. And then just this brush on here. And then what's actually on top of the vanity, like I said, is this mirror, but I just kind of keep my 2 vitamins that I'm currently using right now. I have a picture of my beautiful best friends. All of them are here. This is a picture, and it's like a little snow globe thing. So I keep that here to, you know, just have them here with me. And then right next to this container I actually got from Target, and I just kind of hold more lipsticks and more lip glosses. And then this here is actually a candle thing that I bought from Target, but I actually finished it up. And since I am a Capricorn, let me know what's your zodiac sign below, guys. I'm a Capricorn, so I kept this in here, and I just kind of have like random things, but I have, like I said, it's nothing special. It's just lives here. I haven't been using it so much, but yeah, it lives here, and this is what it looks like. I will have linked the Alex short in the desk below, and I will try to find something similar from Amazon for the mirror and the acrylic holder, and I will have Mari's stuff below for the little makeup holder and the little teddy bear down below as well, so you can check her Instagram out. She does post, and she also makes cups, like customized cups. So if you guys are interested in getting a cup customized, just let her know, and I'll have that below.